Hi, it's Tim Quast for Market Structure Edge, and we've got you headed down the path, but I want to take a few moments now to talk about navigation, just using the platform. Some basic things to know. Right off the bat is the dashboard. This is Command Central. Each of these tiles represents a portfolio. We create about 13 of them for you, actually 15. There are 11 sector portfolios beginning with communication services. We use the math of Edge to find things for you, to make it very simple. You don't even have to hunt around. We'll show you things that are big and stable, that work when the market is volatile, and we'll show you momentum trades that work when there is demand coming into the market and we want to outperform it. But this is the starting point, just looking at the dashboard and understanding that it will show you the core principle of Edge, the thing that differentiates us from everything else that lets you take gains and not chances, and that is demand and supply. Each of these portfolios will show you demand for the whole group and supply for the whole group, and we'll talk about that separately. But now you know what the dashboard shows you.